Do you ever feel like your amazing design work gets lost in the endless scroll of social media? You spend hours crafting the perfect visual, only to see it get a handful of likes before disappearing. It's frustrating. What if I told you there's a secret weapon that top designers are using to create content that genuinely connects with their audience and goes viral? That secret is artificial intelligence, and it's not as complicated as it sounds. These tools help you work smarter, not harder, so you can focus on creating stunning designs. Before we get going, subscribe, like, and hit the bell for more tips like this. Join our community of design entrepreneurs and never miss a strategy. First up is Midjourney, a tool that has taken the design world by storm. At its core, Midjourney is an AI image generator that turns your text prompts into breathtaking visuals. For designers, this is an absolute goldmine for overcoming creative blocks. Generating unique content for social media. Instead of staring at a blank canvas, explore dozens of visual concepts in minutes. Create abstract backgrounds. Create unique character illustrations. Create conceptual art for posts. It's like a brainstorming partner with infinite imagination. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine you're a brand designer making a post about brand trust. That can be tricky to visualize. Instead of generic stock photos, go to Midjourney and type a prompt. Within a minute, Midjourney generates several original images. Use the chosen visual to immediately grab attention. Now that you have a stunning visual, you need a caption that will make people stop and read. This is where Jasper AI comes in. Jasper is an AI writing assistant that can help you craft everything from blog posts, social media captions in seconds. It's designed to understand tone, context, and marketing goals. It's the perfect tool for designers who want to write engaging copy without spending hours on it. Ask it to write in a witty, professional, and inspiring tone. It will generate multiple options. Choose from, edit, and post. Quick example. You just finished a beautiful logo for a sustainable coffee brand. Final mock-up ready to post, but stuck on what to say. Use the social media caption template to input your prompt, and Jasper generates captions like, "Brewing up something beautiful." Writing is a skill, but you don't need to be a natural-born writer to succeed on social media. Jasper is your co-pilot. It drafts while you refine. Stay consistent. Build a loyal following. In today's fast-paced social media world, video content is king. Platforms like Instagram Reels and TikTok thrive on short, engaging videos. But as a designer, you might not have the time or video editing skills to create them consistently. This is where Lumen 5 shines. Lumen 5 is an AI-powered video creation platform that transforms text content into polished videos. It automatically finds relevant visuals, adds music, and formats everything perfectly for social media, allowing you to turn a single design concept into an engaging video in minutes. Let's walk through a practical example. Suppose you wrote a short blog post or a long Instagram caption about your top 5 tips for choosing brand colors. Instead of just posting the text, you can copy and paste it into Lumen 5. The AI will analyze your text and break it down into scenes for a video. You've created a stunning visual with Midjourney, written the perfect caption with Jasper, and even made a video with Lumen 5. But how do you ensure the right people see your post? The answer is hashtags. And Flick is the ultimate AI tool for your hashtag strategy. Flick does more than just suggest random tags. It provides detailed analytics on which hashtags are trending, how competitive they are, and whether they are right for your account size. It takes the endless guesswork out of finding hashtags that actually work to grow your reach. You're about to post a new branding project for a luxury skincare line. Instead of just using generic tags, you can use Flick to find better options. You could search for a core topic, such as luxury branding. Flick's AI will then give you a list of related hashtags, categorized by their potential reach and competition level. It might suggest less competitive, yet highly relevant tags that help you get seen by a more targeted, engaged audience. Loving these insights? If this is sparking new ideas for your design business, hit that like button and let us know your biggest takeaway in the comments. Your input helps fuel our creative community, and we might even feature your comment in a future video. Let's recap the core ideas. Use AI to brainstorm visuals when you feel stuck. Let it draft your captions to save time. Turn static posts into dynamic videos to capture attention. Use data-driven hashtags so the right audience finds you. These tools don't replace your creative voice. They amplify it. They handle repetitive tasks so you can focus on creating incredible designs and building genuine connections. The key, however, is not to get overwhelmed. Take small, consistent steps. The biggest mistake designers make is trying to do everything at once. Focus on mastering one tool at a time and integrating it into your workflow. Here's a simple challenge for this week. Pick just one tool from today, just one. Use it for your next 3 social posts. If Jasper, write all 3 captions with it. If Lumen 5, turn an old post into a video. If Flick, research a new hashtag collection and use it. Try it, see how it feels. Don't chase perfection, focus on action. At week's end, take 5 minutes to reflect. Did it save you time? Any difference in performance? Did it spark an idea? This small experiment builds confidence to explore AI more. By taking this small step, you're already on your way. Thanks for watching. If you found value in this video, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with a fellow designer who needs a boost. Now check out these other following videos, or if you're ready to take things to the next level, head over to thedesignlemonade.com to sign up for more exclusive content.